Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix and resolve Windows 10 randomly black screen error. Black screen error. So guys, if you are facing this problem, monitor goes black. And also guys, this method will work in Windows 10 and Windows 11. You can try this method and give your feedback by comment. So click on start and search here device manager. Open device manager. Now in this list you have to find out this monitors expanded. Now right click on monitor driver and update driver. Search automatically for driver. Now close it. Again click on it. Update driver. Now browse my computer for driver and select let me pick from a list of available drivers. And here select latest driver. Then click on next. Now close it. And here second method. Search edit power plan. Click on it. Here click on change advanced power settings. In this dialog box, expand PCI Express. Now click on this link state power management and make sure these both settings are off. If you see anything else, so click here and select off. On battery and on plugged in. Then apply, then click on OK. Now exit and restart your laptop. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this method work for you.